Hi there, and welcome to the Sales Training Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to develop a consultative approach to selling. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout the step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of sales training maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, assessing the current situation. And here the first step is to conduct a sales training assessment, assess the skills of the sales team, and ultimately create a strategy scorecard. In stage 2, you're going to move into market positioning. And here, the first step is to communicate your ideal customer profile and then present in-depth competitive analysis. Next, you move into training reps on unique selling propositions and then provide a competitive product reference. In stage 3, you move into the sales process. And here, the first step is to map the buying and selling processes with reps and teach how to qualify sales opportunities. Then you're going to provide the sales playbook and train reps on updating the CRM system. In stage 4, it's all about consultative selling. You start by asking questions to create need and then relate those needs to relevant features. You move on to how to communicate value, how to deal with objections, how to present your solution, how to customize a proposal. And then we move on to how to manage sales territories and how to analyze key stakeholders. In stage 5, it's about key account planning. And here, the first step is how to score accounts. Then you move on to how to analyze and plan for those key accounts and ultimately how to report on them. And lastly, in stage 6, we move on to sales metrics and reports. This begins with training on daily, monthly, and quarterly productivity metrics and how to forecast sales. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Sales Training Framework. Succeed with sales training by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.